Hello everybody, thanks, welcome to Bush. Yeah, guys, it's on a beautiful day today. Can you see the rain drippeltjies falling from the sky there? On my groot hare. Yeah, but that are not the reason why I need to talk to you today. I want to touch on a touchy subject there that are touching people, ne? Guys, a lot of people ask me, Varry, why do you make a poop before every video there? Why do you pass wind by your exhaust? What exhaust? Yeah, it are called releasing pressure from a pressure valve. Okay. Now what happened? You guys had bly there by the dorp, nee, by the town, nee. You got places like McDonald's and Pizza Hut and KFC, Kimberly Fried Chicken. Now, what happened are sometimes your body doesn't like it, okay. And the chicken are too oily or something, nee, and you like, you wanna shoot a chunky. Now what happened are, this food, nee, it go by your throat here, you chew it. It go by your throat here, it go down here. It's almost like a weather report, nee. It creates a little bit of a turbulence here in the midsection, yeah, with a little bit of lightning and thunder. And then it get to the bottom over there. Now, if you don't poop, nee, it get to your exhaust valve, nee. It might cup a U-turn, like the guys from Driftmasters. En ek gooi 'n donut en ek come back up here, past jou poep darm hier, nee. Go in your pants here, past jou lungs, alles hier by your boobs, in between your groot borshare. It comes to your arm se appel en for the women se Eva se peer. And then it sit here by the back of your kop here. Okay. And that, my friends, are where poof ideas come from. Okay. Number 1. Don't keep a poop in. Okay. Doesn't matter if you're a oomie, a ou tannie, a woman's, a supermodel, a lighty. Let it rip. Okay. Release the gas. Otherwise you're going to have poof ideas. Okay. And number 2. When you eat things, make sure you know what the bloody hell you are eating. Okay. Because sometimes that can also confuse the direction of the poop. Like this over here, nee. This are called die Wille Bos Boutverstopper Knop Bossie Bessie. The this thing. Yeah. You weet hoe. Now, if you swallow this thing, it was terrible. This thing, nee, come there by your exhaust pipe, and it gets stuck inside there, nee. Like trying to push a watermelon through a keyhole, nee. And then that poop also make a U-turn, nee. You gooi a donut first, and then it come here by your brains. And that's where the poof ideas come from. I hope I clarify that for you. Okay, thanks.